Moving on to a couple of 200 gram cakes here. Chuck actually threw these in for free. He threw in this Raging Willow by Raccoon Fireworks. Raccoon Fireworks has made a lot of amazing stuff this year, but this is one of their more popular, or should I say, one of their better 200 gram cakes. It's kind of like this one at the bottom here, Willow Explosion, but it's kind of like a 200 gram version of it, so to speak. So the performance for this cake is Nishiki Willows with blue, sea blue, peach, and grass green. And I believe this is a 19-shot cake. So this cake is really kind of like a 200 gram version of the Nishiki Kamuro effect, and it also has some color thrown in as well. Raging Willow by Raccoon. Nice.